REMINI app and how to use new Barbie AI filters. So yeah, bring your selfies into Barbie land with AI filters. This is a new trending viral filter from this app. So just go to AI filters, take a selfie, or you can just again try them and then just take a selfie. I don't know if you can actually upload these photos, but for example, yeah, you can just take a photo and then you can upload your selfie. And then, for example, if you're male, you can try Ken filter. If you're female, you can try Barbie filter. And that's basically the idea of the app. And then, yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, it's quite, so that's what it is. And then yeah, you can just save it and share it on TikTok, anywhere. And then you can also apply all kinds of different filters. This app is viral and been popular by adding different not usual filters. Like one of the filters is like baby pregnancy filter. So yeah, stuff like that. And here you can just also add some other filters. So you can see, yeah, that's what you can do. I don't know if you even need to upgrade here to get this. I think you can get it for free, this version. So that's what it is.